In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the index as a filter in Tableau. We'll break down this process step by step to ensure you not only understand the concept but can apply it with confidence in your own projects. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to open the Tableau public app. This is the essential starting point for all your data visualization pursuits. Once you have Tableau up and running, navigate over to your worksheet. If you're not familiar with the layout, think of this worksheet as your canvas, ready for data input. Next, we're going to organize our data. Begin by dragging the order date from your data pane over to the rows shelf. This will give us a timeline by organizing our data by order date. As you drop it, make sure to expand it to months. This will provide a more granular look at your time-based data, making your analysis more precise. Now, move over to the drop-down arrow on your data pane. You'll want to select Create Calculated Field here. When the dialog box opens, name your new calculated field index. In the calculation area, type in the index query and then click OK. This calculated field allows you to number each row of your data, setting the stage for filtering. Once your index field is created, drag it to the rows shelf. Here, you'll categorize it as discrete. Discrete data items are individually distinct, which is perfect for the next steps in our process. At this point, we want to refine how the index functions, so click on the drop-down menu on the index field and select Edit Table Calculation. With the table calculation window open, click Specific Dimensions and deselect Year of Order Date. This action configures the index calculation to operate at the month level, isolating the view you want. Next, drag your sales data to the column shelf. This simple move will help in aligning your sales data with your index order dates, setting the stage for a more detailed analysis. We're going to create a parameter next, so click the drop-down arrow once more and select Create Parameter. Name it appropriately, set the data type to integer, and set the current value to 5. This parameter lets you dynamically filter data based on the index value. Choose the range option here, setting the minimum to 1 and the maximum to 10. By doing this, you shorten or lengthen the index range interactively, depending on your analysis needs. And once that's done, click OK. Now that the parameter is created, you'll want to show it in the worksheet, so click Show Parameter. With this in place, users can adjust the range of data directly within the view. Finally, create another calculated field. Once more, name it appropriately and type in your query, then click OK. Drag this new calculated field to the filter shelf and select True, then click OK. Your visual representation will now be filtered based on the index and active parameter settings. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on using index as a filter in Tableau. By combining indices with dynamic parameters, you create a powerful tool for data visualization and analysis. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and thanks for watching.